Number 7, express each trigonometric ratio as a fraction for angle theta. Okay, here's given information, needs to go into the diagram, locate your acute angle that we need to work with. Here it is. Okay, AC is 25 and BC is 20. All right, there's your 90. Label the sides. This is hypotenuse. Okay, the two sides that form the acute angle, one's hypotenuse, the other one's adjacent, and then opposite down here. Okay, so from this angle here, sine theta is equal to, right here, opposite divided by hypotenuse, 20 divided by 25. 20 divided by 25. Okay, we want to reduce the fractions. When you put this into the calculator, it'll reduce it for you. But 5 will go into both, so my fraction part will reduce to 4/5. Okay, cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, we will need to find that side. We can do that using Pythagorean Theorem. We'll come back to that. Tangent theta is equal to adjacent over opposite. Okay, so we will need to find this side, okay, evidently. All right, so let's do the Pythagorean Theorem real quick. This would be easy. We know two sides of a right triangle, so Pythagorean Theorem will work. A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and we need to know where the C is. C is the same as hypotenuse. It's opposite the 90, so this is C in Pythagorean Theorem. So I had to go over on this side. So 25 squared is equal to, let's let this be x, so x squared plus 20 squared is equal to 25 squared. Okay, go to menu 3.1 and put that in the calculator and get me the value for x. What's that? X squared plus 20 squared equals 25 squared comma x, and we get 15. So this is 15. Okay, so now we can come back and finish this up. So 15 over 25. Okay, and then for the tangent, it's opposite over adjacent. See, always remember, here's your setup. Tangent is opposite divided by adjacent. So that's 20 over 15. And 5 will go into both of those. So this reduced fraction is 3/5. So 5 will go into both of those, 4/3. Okay, so you'll do that for number 8 as well.